So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to get a cheap shipping fee on AllChinaBuy. So first, you need to open your web browser, which is in this case, I'm using a Google Chrome. So after that, you need to utilize your search bar and search for the allchinabuy.com. You have to sign in if you have an existing account, but if you don't have one, just register by clicking sign up. And after that, you are going to enter a product name or link right here. Like, for example, you need to pick a specific item that you want to check out. So after that, you need to click on the buy now and you will redirect to this page, which is on the order confirmation. So for you to able to see the cheap option, you will see right here the total cost, and it will actually ask you, which is on the inbound with original packing. So when you click on that one, it costs nothing. So you have a local delivery fee of 0. But if you click on the priority stock in, you will see it take much option like the additional service, which is the 5 right here. So just click on the cancel right here for you to able to move or for you to able to check out without the local delivery fee. So you get a cheap shipping fee. So that's how you get a cheap shipping fee on AllChinaBuy. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.